Hi all, welcome back. So yesterday we have learned how to scan the objects or controls in the web page, right? So I have the controls already scanned yesterday. Okay, so now using this controls we will develop our first test case. That will be very basic test case. Just we will do the login, enter our credential, click on login, and once we log in, we'll just verify whether we logged in successfully or not. Okay, so I have the website open that we used yesterday. Okay, so demo web shop. Demo web shop. Okay, so we have here login link. We'll click on login, then we'll enter credential, then we'll click on login. So once we log in, this login link will get changed to logout because we have already logged in. So we will verify that link. Okay, we have successfully logged in. Okay, so how we create a basic test case in Tosca. So this is our module and this is our test case section. Okay, so what I will do, I will drag and drop under this folder. This is our new test case. Just I will name demo workshop login. Okay, so to log in into this application, first I have to launch this application. Okay, to launch this application we have one standard module available in Tosca under Tbox X engine. Under HTML we have one module called open URL. Okay, let me drag and drop it. Okay, I will just give open application. Okay. It will take few parameters like URL and use active tab. So the use of this attribute is if you keep it as true. So if I keep true and if I execute, so it will open the website, it will hit the URL in the same tab. Okay, if I give false, it will open the next tab and it will launch the URL. Okay, that is the use of this attribute. So I will give true here. Okay, and so this step will open the application. Okay, now I need to click on login. So we'll create one by one each step. Okay, will not put everything in one step. Okay, here we will just give a meaningful name, that is very important. Enter login credential. In login credential we need to provide email ID. Okay, I have registered with this email ID and password also I have. This is remember me checkbox, login button. Okay, I click on login button. After that, I once we verify login successful. Verify login successful. For that, once we log in, this logout link should be visible. So I will just give as true and verify. Okay. So our test case is complete. Okay, so first step is open application, click on login, enter the credential and click on login button and verify login is successful. This is very basic test case. Okay, so whenever you work in any application you have to follow certain naming convention or certain standards. Okay, like if someone comes new in your team and if he read these test steps, by reading the test steps he will get to know, okay, we are entering the credential. Okay, if I don't provide any meaningful name then it is very difficult to understand the steps. We need to go inside each steps, we have to understand. It will be bit complex, but if you use a meaningful name it will be easy for everyone to understand. Okay, okay, let me run it. We'll see. It's already logged in. I had logged out, logged in earlier. Okay, let's see. Clicked on login. It should enter credential. Should click on login, and now it will verify the logout button, logout link here. So my test case has passed. Okay, all the steps has been passed, and verification you can see expected was true, actual was true, because once we log in it will show the logout link. Okay, and one thing you would have noticed here, I had opened Chrome browser here. Okay, even though it has opened Edge. Okay, Edge browser, because by default it will open Edge. Okay, Edge browser. If you want to work with Chrome browser, then you have to set the test configuration parameter. Okay, so if I click on my test case, and if you click on test configuration parameter, just right click, you will see an icon called test configuration parameter. Just click on that. If you click on drop down, you will see different available configuration parameters. So we want browser. Okay, we want browser, and value we want Chrome. Okay, I have set the browser as Chrome. Now let me run the test case again. F6. So this is my Chrome browser. It should open the it should hit the URL in the same tab, but the test case has failed because it didn't find the link login. If you observe here the demo web shop, here we don't have login link available. That's why it is saying verification has failed, because knowingly I didn't logged out, just to show like if it fails, what error message it will show. You can see clearly it is showing could not find link login with the following properties. Let me log out. Okay, and let me rerun this. Clicked on login, clicked on credential, logged in. Now it will verify logout link. So my test case is passed now. You can see verification is successful. Okay, same way you can work with different browser. We have Edge, Firefox, Explorer, Safari, Chrome, Android. So different browser supports are available with Tricentis. So this is our first test case, very basic. Okay, So going forward, we'll try to enhance these test cases using, now we have hard coded this data, right? So we will try to parameterize it by using TCD. Okay, that we will discuss in later session what is TCD and how we have to store the test data in TCD and how to fetch the TCD data in the test case. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you.